Hey guys, so I've been having an issue with my DJI Osmo Mobile charging, my USB charging cable charging the actual unit. I plug in the cable into the slot and it simply doesn't charge the battery. So I read a bunch of forums, try to understand what other people's issues were, and it seems like the majority of people were suggesting to try a variety of different USB plugs, outlets, try cleaning the battery, contacts, and so I want to show you that I'm still having these issues after trying all that, and it seems as if this is more of a widespread issue in DJI than just a matter of cleaning contacts or switching ports, because this kind of stuff just shouldn't happen. I mean, it's a simple USB cord plug connection. It should just charge the battery. So here's my DJI Osmo Mobile. Here's the handle. I'm going to plug in the charging cord into this wall outlet that has two USB ports, one amped, one not amped. So this is a 2.1 amp and this is a 1 amp outlet. We're going to try the amped outlet first. As you can see, it's plugged in and no lights. Nothing. So people suggested unplug and replug. Nothing. So we'll try the 1 amp. Nothing. Unplug, replug. Nothing. So go to the batteries. They're relatively clean. And in fact, they're clean enough that they will charge in an external charger. So I know that they make enough contact and they will power the Osmo mobile unit, the battery will, so therefore it's making connection. So I don't have to clean anything here. There's no reason to have to clean this. Because if I unplug it, again, no power. But if I unplug it, clearly it has power, so the battery is making a connection. So we can eliminate that. So my question is, what's the fix here? Is it that certain handles just don't have this feature? I'm using an older handle that came with my original Osmo, or is it that it's a firmware issue? Is it certain units are faulty? I don't know exactly what it is, but it seems as if it should be just as simple as plugging it in, just like any other USB cord that plugs in, whether it's lightning cord or a micro USB cord or what have you. It should simply charge, but as you can see, nothing. And also, I don't have it in this video, but I've tried various wall outlets and plugging it into my Mac and other USB ports. Any port I could find, I tried plugging it into, and still no power. What's up, DJI?